I would now like to invite on stage Professor Dr. Sasmita Devi Agarwal. She's going to talk to us about the autism spectrum disorder. There are a lot of challenges with autism. It has emerged as one of the biggest challenge in early childhood. But this is something that can be managed with intervention at the right time. I would like to invite on stage Dr. Sasmita Devi Agarwal to please come on stage and speak about autism spectrum disorder. Please welcome on stage Dr. Agarwal.
A very good evening, respected dignitaries, and I am really thankful to the Primetime Media Research Limited to invite me here. As you know, due to the implementation of National Immunization Program, we are able to control the infectious disease like tuberculosis, tetanus, diphtheria, and measles. But at the same time, due to change in our lifestyle and social culture, the children are not getting the quality time from the parents. So in place of the quality time, what they are getting? The quality gifts. What is that? A smartphone, a laptop, a video game, and different types of electronic gadgets. And they are spending their lots of time with the television. Okay? Because of exposure to these electronic gadgets at the early part of life, the incidence of neurodevelopmental disorders like autism spectrum disorders is increasing like anything. You will be surprised 10 to 20 years back, the incidence of autism spectrum disorder was 1 in 10,000. You will not believe me, it is 1 in 68 worldwide. And if you look at attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, it is 1 in 22. And if you look at the behavioral disorder, it is 1 in 14. So as a pediatrician, as a pediatric neurologist, I want to highlight one more thing. As Dr. Sinha told, at birth, the newborn baby is having as many nerve cells as the stars in the sky. But they are not connected with each other. The connection between these neurons develops during the first 3 years of life. Okay? So if the children are exposed to the electronic gadgets in the first 3 years, the connection between these neurons will be abnormal. And later on, they will develop to many types of behavioral disorder or neurodevelopmental disorder. So it is our एक कॉमन चीज़ हम ओपीडी में एनकाउंटर करते हैं. द पेरेंट्स आर टेलिंग कि मैडम टीवी नहीं देखता है तो खाता नहीं है. इवन द ग्रैंड मदर हु इज़ 50 years old, 59 year old, शी इज़ टेलिंग कि मैडम टीवी नहीं देखता है तो खाना ही नहीं खाता है, मोबाइल नहीं देखता है तो चुप नहीं बैठता है, हम कैसे खिलाएं, खाना नहीं खिलाएं क्या बच्चे को. येस, फूड इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इट इज़ ए वेरी tough job to the parents, for the parents, but at the same time, normal development of the brain is equally important. So we as a doctor, we have to create the awareness among the parents, among the doctors, and in the society to prevent the early exposure of electronic gadgets, and by that, we can reduce the incidence of autism spectrum disorder. Autism spectrum disorder, it is a lifelong neurodevelopmental disorder. There is no cure. It is not malaria or tuberculosis or chickenpox that I will be writing some medicine and the child will be cured within 7 to 10 days. It is not like that. It is a lifelong disorder. And all of you will agree with me that prevention is better than cure. So try to prevent. So what we need to cure this disease is to create an awareness among ourselves, and we will prevent the use of electronic gadgets below 3 years to eradicate or to eliminate this disease from our society. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
category Healthcare Excellence Pediatric Neurology of the Year 2019 in Bhubaneswar. The winner is Professor Dr. Sasmita Devi Agarwal. Please welcome on stage Professor Dr. Sasmita Devi Agarwal, who has won in the category Healthcare Excellence Pediatric Neurology of the Year 2019 in Bhubaneswar.
So these days actually I am Dr. Sasmita Devi Agrawal, Professor HOD Pediatric from High Tech Medical College and Hospital Bhubaneswar. I am a pediatric neurologist actually. So these days the neurodevelopmental disorder is increasing like anything. 10 years back, if you look the incidence, it was 1 in 10,000. Okay. But in the recent years, due to the early exposures of these electronic gadgets in the form of smart phone, laptops, video games, and use of television, exposure to the television by the small kids before the age of 3 years, the neurodevelopmental disorders like autism spectrum disorders and attention deficit hyperactivity disorders and other behavioral disorders are increasing like anything. It will be very difficult if we will not control at this moment. It will be very difficult for us, and I think after 5 years we will be searching where are the normal kids. You will not believe the incidence of behavioral disorder at present in India is 1 is to 14. In every 14 children, one child is suffering from behavioral disorder, and out of 22 children, one children in 22 is suffering from attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, and 1 in 50 children is suffering from autism. Okay, so if we will not restrict the screen time, and if you will not prevent the early exposure to these digital gadgets before the age of 3 years, it will be very difficult for us. Autism spectrum disorder is a neurodevelopmental disorder. It's a lifelong neurodevelopmental disorder. Okay, they are totally different. It is not a disease. Okay, this is a disorder. They are special. They are different. The first step for the treatment is the family has to accept that the child is different. Okay, they are unique. They are definitely, they will have some special capacity or special challenge along with them, special quality, and actually they face some challenge to show their qualities. So as a pediatrician, as the doctor, we have to find out what special quality the child is having and what challenge the child is facing to show that quality. If we can find these two things, the treatment for this autism spectrum disorder will be very easy for us. But again, I want to tell, I will want to tell the viewers or audience, whatever you may say, that to prevention is better than cure. These are the lifelong neurodevelopmental disorders. There is no any specific treatment available to cure this disorder. So as we know, the prevention is better than cure. We have to prevent the early exposure of digital gadgets below 3 years to prevent this disease. Thank you very much. बहुत अच्छा लगा. It was very nice. I am feeling really very honored and pleasure for me to be a part of this Primetime Global Icon Award, and I'm really very happy to receive this today. It was very nice, and we exchanged our views with all the dignitaries of different field, and we came to know about the homeopathy, allopathy, and all other things. So we have to respect each and every types of therapy. That is the basic thing to go ahead. And yes, it was a very nice experience.
Thank you, ma'am.